Hello and welcome to the EEPROM time. If the camera's a bit wobbly, it's because I've got it on the little gorilla tripod sitting on my bed. Because why the hell not? And as you can notice, we've got an ever-rotating series of pictures of my dog, which is always a good thing. That's not my laptop behind me, it's one I'm fixing for someone. And you can keep it in a nice dainty uni bag. I just reckon it suits me. But yes, Christmas presents, because why the hell not? Ah, get cozy. First thing on order, it's sitting right next to the camera, is this. The Tesco's tablet, as I call it, or the Hulu, because I can't say the actual its proper name. Those of you on Facebook may have seen like my post mentioning this. I have mentioned it a few places. Let's get it out of the case so I can show it to the case. Also was part of the presents for it, but the unit itself, it's actually pretty good, and Android isn't as horribly locked down as the operating system on this, therefore making this more useful. For example, I can link this to my emails. I can't with this. I can't even get Hotmail to work on the browser. And, among others, I've set up custom email notifications. You might hear that go off while I go off, so instead of the boring ding noise, we now get the various characters from Portal 2 saying various lines, such as Gladys being a bit, well, passive-aggressive towards you or something like that. But yeah, pretty awesome, that thing. A thing to connect it to the TV, HDMI cable. I have tried this. I cannot figure out how to get that to output to the telly. I have googled it and I didn't even make success then. Screen protectors, because I'm so OCD about the LCD displays. 2 absolutely fantastic games. I've been having a lot of fun, completed them both, getting all the bonus content in this one. I'm going to run through this second time when the time arises, because I've got uni work to do. Yay! But yeah, fun! It's funny, I've got more varied taste than my brother, because I like sort of the odd I like my single player stuff. I'm not massively into multiplayer. That's why something like this is brilliant. There's the box. It's a box. It's got stuff in. Nothing really that exciting on it. I think we're getting to it all. And of course, 2 Cisco books. Because it's useful for university. And actually, these will go into the ever useful books that I have, that I can pull out to reference from when I need. And in them you've got, well, all kinds of good old network. In fact, we've opened it and it looks like we're looking at packets. And in fact, yeah, looking at packets on that page. On these pages we've got some show frame relay stuff. And actually in the thing it tells you what each book has on it. Somewhere there's a thing that's like, this book has this in it. Oh, it goes LAN switching, we haven't done switching yet, some routing, WAN, IP version 6. Yes, I want to learn how to subnet IP version 6. I do not agree with the mindset of it does not need subnetting. Yes, it does. Keep things efficient. Otherwise you end up with the same problem we've ended up with IPv4. Trust me, someone will find a way to IP address nanobots. Trust me. Give it enough decades and someone will do it. And we want to have the systems ready for when that happens, that we have to update to. I don't know whatever happened to IPv versions 1, 2, 3 and 5. Them versions of, I don't know, maybe they were prototypes. And the big fat book has, just go through the contents that usually tells you. Don't need to worry about learning subnet on how to do that now. Networking fundamentals, be working on there we go. TCP, OSI. I need to do some more on them. I'm a bit flaky on the theoretical models. Ethernet, LANs and switches. We've got final reviews, IPv version 6, IPv4 surges. You know, you've got quite a lot in here. Fundamentals of WANs, fundamental Ethernet LANs, TCP IP, networking models, more. It goes on. And this is the first one, this is the second one. Academic editions. These books are not cheap, but if you're doing networking, it's worth if you're doing networking, it's worth grabbing things like Cisco books and stuff, because Cisco is the main manufacturer, although there's rumours on going round of open source routing protocols and routers themselves, which is actually rather quite interesting. Bet it'll run on a basis of Unix. Cisco stuff does. Although you never really get the Unix command line. It's just based on the Unix operating. Oh yeah, and I also got some lottery tickets. And that pretty much goes it. Oh yes, do this for the next 10 conflicts. Copy and replace, please. Yeah, I've just been backing up that computer. It's one of Mum's friends at work. Right, that's the backup done, which is good. Now I'll run it for all the disk cleanup. I had a problem where it couldn't log on, so I've been working on that. I don't know if that's a singer or something as the wallpaper. I've got only know. It's not my job to care about that. It's my job to make sure all the things like data and that are backed up and the system works again, so the person who owns it can go on there, log on and be like, yay, my data, my computer, it lives again. And plus, for doing things like this, you can actually end up getting benefits, because you don't necessarily get monetary rewards, because yeah, but you can get free machines and stuff like that. It's like, oh, you fix that for me, there you go, here's a computer for you, or an old video recorder for you to pause a bit. You can get perks in other aspects. If this computer had been given to me, I would take my uni stuff in this bag just for jokes for a day, because it would be absolutely hilarious to see everyone's reaction to me walking in with a handbag. Yes, that's my mindset, and my mindset of humour. Well, my humour, which is obscure and weird. But now we will just run a disk cleanup on this and a defragment of the hard drive. I'm not going to bother with sticking on the various things that I use, because all those USBs are up at uni and I can't bother to dig it round. And look, the wallpaper's been changing some more. Look at him, he's so cute. He looks evil there, he's like he's plotting to kill you or something. Ah, good old dog. Always not a bright sunny day, high shutter speed. Perfect for photography as the dog. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Have a happy new year, if I even get this uploaded for New Year. And do all that nonsense you do on New Year, which is, what do people do? Shag old tyres and stuff? I don't know. Anyway, do what you like doing. If you like shagging old tyres, go for it. And thanks for watching.